like to invite you to a short yoga dance workout. My name is Joanna Puchala, and I will lead you through the movement. If you are in front of your computer or phone, you can join me. What you need is just a little bit of space around you and a comfortable clothes. So let's start from the top of the mat, feet together, big toes in, spread the rest of your toes out, throw navel in towards your back. Inhale, reach up through your hands. And exhale, take a deep forward bend, hands down to the ground, head to knees. Inhale, look up. And exhale, bend your knees, reach up through your arms, tuck table under, inch your pulse. Reach up through your hands, place hands behind your back, push hips forward, engage your center, tilt back. Inhale, come up. And as you exhale, bend your knees, reach up through your arms, inch your pulse. Take a deep forward bend, grab ankles with your hands, fold forward. Bend your knees, reach up through your arms, lift heels up, and stretch your legs up. Keep your heels lifted, and stretch your legs, and bend, and stretch. Lower heels down, send hands onto your lumbar spine, push hips forward, heels back. Inhale, come up, bend your knees, chair pose. And as you exhale, go to deep squat, embrace back of your legs with your arms and take deep forward bend. Move weight front and back, balancing on your feet. Find the center, release hands down. Press with your hands against your shins, lengthen spine through your head. Inhale, exhale, deep forward bend, head to knees. Inhale, look up, lengthen spine through your head. And exhale, lower head down. Inhale, look up. As you exhale, bring your right leg back to high lunge, front knee bend 90 degrees angle. Fingertips beside your front leg. And now we are going to bring back knee towards our chest and extend our standing leg. And then reverse, bring your leg back to high lunge and knee to chest. And high lunge, knee to chest, and high lunge. Now you're gonna send hands back, fingertips are pointing down, hands are facing forward. Now you're gonna bring your back knee towards your chest and back. Keep both legs extended in pyramid pose and back knee to chest. Behind, knee to chest, back, knee to chest, back. As you send knee to chest, you're gonna place hands down on the ground. Send your right leg forward and take a seat on your buttocks. Hold with your left hand onto your right heel or big toe of your top leg. Reach up and back with your right hand to lift your spine up through the top of your head. You can point toes of your left foot. Inhale, exhale, reach up with your top hand. Grab heel of your top foot with your right hand or big toe. Bring your left hand back. Keep your toes pointed above feet. Look over your left shoulder. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, hold onto your front leg with both hands, head to leg. And we're gonna roll back and forward. and back and forward. Next time, as we go forward, gonna come up onto our right leg. Yeah, go back, right knee to chest, and up onto your right leg, down and up. As you come onto your right leg, gonna come up and send your left leg up to the sky. Gonna bend our supporting leg, release top leg down in high lunge, right knee is bent, 90 degrees angle. And we're gonna stretch front leg and bend, stretch and bend. Now you're gonna send your back knee forward as you extend your right leg and send it back and forward. So you can continue with high lunge, only stretching your standing leg when you bring your left knee to chest. One more time. Now, the second variation is with hands facing back. Palms are facing forward, just fingers are facing back. You're on your fingertips. Now you send your left knee to chest. Both legs are extended. Left knee to chest and back. Knee to chest, back. Knee to chest, back. We are going to send knee to chest, and you want to reverse your hands and extend your left leg forward and sit down on your hips. Hold with your right hand your left heel or big toe and send your left hand behind you. So you can point toes of both feet. You can have feet flexed, lengthening spine up through your head, twisting to your left side. Inhale, exhale, back to the center, reverse. Left hand holds the inner side of your left heel or big toe, and your right hand goes behind. You continue with your spinal twist, keeping toes pointed or flexed. Inhale back to the center. As you exhale, hold onto your top leg with both hands, head to leg. Keep breathing. And we're gonna roll back and forward. Lovely. Now we're going to change the legs. Left knee to chest. And eventually you want to bring your left foot down and the right leg comes up. You go for standing split. Head to knee, right leg goes up. Inhale, exhale, lower foot down and swap. Lift the over leg up, head to knee. And gonna lower top leg down into high lunge, releasing back knee down, crossing legs and taking our happy cow pose. Buttocks in between your feet, legs are crossed. Inhale and exhale, rest head on your thighs. Keep sit bones rooted to the floor. Inhale, curve spine up, and as you exhale, you reverse it. You bring the over leg forward, cross your legs, Sit on your buttocks in between your feet. Hold onto your feet. Lengthen spine through your head. Inhale and exhale. Sink down to the ground with your chest. Releasing chest on your thighs. Sit bones down to the earth. Relaxing the whole body. In happy cow pose. Inhale, exhale, curl spine up, vertebra by vertebra, and unwind your legs, shake them, cross your legs, reach forward with your hands, down with your head and buttocks, breathe in and out. Inhale. Exhale, curl spine up. Rest hands on top of your knees. Close your eyes. Breathe in and out, returning back to your normal breath. Closing eyes. Finding inner peace within your body and mind. Placing palms at the heart center, sending love and kindness to yourself. Placing hands above your head, sending love and kindness to the universe, so the world can be a better place. Wishing everybody health, happiness, and peace. Reaching up through your hands to the sky, opening your eyes if they were closed. Inhale and exhale, sending hands to your heart center. Thank you very much. Namaste.